इतना सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन की कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. Franchise India, Asia's largest franchise and consulting company. It was established in 1999 with the aim to provide platform to all the international national brands expanding their business with us. We are present in 70 plus cities and we have helped thousands of investors to get their franchisee business from us. We cater into brands which presents verticals like F&B, automation, education, retail, service, etc. And today we welcome you to yet another informative episode and session of Business Opportunity with Chai. Today we are celebrating 104th edition of this particular webinar. We welcome our first panel member, Mr. Gaurav Maria, who is the founder and chairman at Franchise India Group, along with our second panel member, Ms. Sonia Chaudhary. She is the MD at Franchise India Brands Limited. And today, along with the brand, they will be talking about their views about the industry and their suggestions, and obviously about the brand. We welcome brand of the day today is Marshall, the brand which was established in 1975, and they are known for their wall covering vertical. They are already present in 25 cities with 18 plus showrooms. They have 500 plus deals across India, and they cater to 5 lakhs of the investors and customers. And we welcome Mona Menon. She's a director at Marshall's Enterprise India Private Limited. Thank you so much, Mona ma'am, for sparing time and today digitally interacting with all our investors and presenting your business idea for them. So thank you so much, and ma'am, over to you to present your journey with us.
Great to have you, Mona ji, on the session. I think we had a very long association with you. We've seen your brand growing into many markets, and you have also created a leadership in this space. This space was never been a specialty retail, but you created not only the category, and but actually a leadership in that. So over to you.
Thank you, Gaurav ji. We believe that a product which is fast and convenient is a product for the future, and that's where the journey began with my father. Starting Marshalls about 45 years ago. Of course, the name does not sound very decorative and so on, but Marshalls to us meant speed, meant discipline, and that is how the name came on. So, in the current situation, in the current times, we believe that where speed and convenience today are, prime on our minds, wall covering is a great opportunity for people in India to look at. 70% of the walls across the world are wall covered. Paint is only that popular in India so far, but world over it is wall coverings. So neither laminate nor gypsum nor glass nor paint. It's wall coverings on 70% of the walls, primarily because it is fast, it is convenient, and it is hassle-free. One wall can be done in less than 2 hours, an entire room within 6 to 8 hours. Entire home, different kind of finishes that we can do. 2 to 3 days, an entire house can be done. So whether it's a rental premises or you're moving into your new house, whether you want people around, you don't want people around, it's very convenient to finish up your entire home, make it look beautiful in less than 2 to 3 days. Entire office can be done over the weekend. Life must go on, so with wall coverings, you don't really have to, vacate the room. You cannot sit there, nothing of that sort. While the people are working and doing their work, you are able to work, you're able to play, you're able to sit with your kids and enjoy your time. So it's a absolutely hassle-free working. No smell, no mess. 10 years plus durability of the product. It's eco-friendly, green and acoustic. Energy saving and fire retardant as well. Plus a variety of 10,000 plus design shades and textures. So wherever there is a wall, we have a market. There is pain in the word paint itself. So time for wall coverings has come in India. The advantage Marshall brings is product and business in-depth understanding. Now, today, it's not just about a catalog and a wallpaper, which many people carry around. Marshall understands the product and gives you the right product mix. We understand the whole process. Unlike most businesses, which are product separate and labor separate, and ply is separate, a carpenter is separate, a paint is separate, a painter is separate. We've amalgamated the two. We made wall covering not as a product, but wall covering as a solution to your wall decor. So we understand the product and the business. Marshalls is a brand which is synonymous with the product category in India. Like Colgate is to toothpaste, like Sunmica is to laminate, like Xerox is to a photocopier. Similarly, Marshalls is to wall coverings in India, which is a huge advantage that the brand carries. End-to-end solution provider. So like I said, we don't just sell a product, but we first understand the customer's requirement and budget, see the wall, the design that we suggest is based on the scale of the wall. It is based on the budget that the customer carries, the room, the other elements in the room and so on. Installation with warranty. So the entire gamut is what we take care of. Complete end-to-end solution provider. As a specialist, we have a range from 30 rupees to 1,000 rupees. So, like in a car category, you would say there's a Maruti and there's a Honda and a Hyundai and a Mercedes and Jaguar and so on. They are all separate. In wall coverings, as a brand, as a category, we say we are a product specialist. So I have a Maruti also and I have a BMW as well. It's a customer's choice whether he's looking at doing one wall with the best wall covering, a mother of pearl material, or he's looking at all walls to be covered in a price which is comparable with paint. So the product specialization, we offer an entire gamut of products from 30 rupees to 1,000 a square foot. Retail is our strength. So we understand what works in retail. We import our adhesives which are antifungal and antibacterial. That's again one of our USPs. Moisture and humidity is a part of our walls, all the time. So antifungal, antibacterial adhesive is what we offer, and a complete IT infrastructure. So if today I have to open 500 branches, my infrastructure is ready. Our entire working is online. So if you are a customer of mine, I can search by your mobile number how many times I have done work for you in the last 10 years. Okay, which wall covering, the payment that you made to me was by cash or check or demand draft or RTGS. All that information is available. I can tell you which design, which lot, which wall. So complete infrastructure there. Huge warehousing capacity and network across India. So Marshalls is a wall covering specialist. You know, we believe that specialization is very, very important, and that's the line we chose. Why wall coverings? Because there is speed and convenience. So we are directly present in 25 cities with 18 showrooms, 30 shop-in-shops and 500 plus dealers across India. We have served 5 lakh plus customers in our journey of 45 years. So where all can wall coverings be used? Right from offices, which are highlight walls, to overall decoration. We can replace paint, we can replace laminates, we can replace ACP sheets. The digital has come in a big way. So right from your mission, vision, goals that can be put onto your walls to just something which is neutral and, you know, decorative. Homes, right from a highlight wall to overall decoration. Complete replacement of paint. Hotels, right from reception lobbies to rooms to common areas, restaurants, coffee shops. Hospitals up to the ICU facilities. Okay, antifungal and antibacterial wall coverings we have for hospitals. To restaurants, they need a new look all the time. So after the closing time and before the opening time of restaurants, we can completely set up a new look. Schools, so right from digital wall coverings to learnings to, you know, creating environments like library, like the laboratory, like classrooms, various different options that there are. Boutiques, malls, public places. So after they close and before they open, we are able to completely change the look and feel. Digital wall coverings have come in a big way. So, you know, right from festivities to goddesses to various different things that we can do in the digital platform. Your wall, your design. We have signature collections from Krishna Mehta. So, you know, unlike wall coverings, which is repetition of design, with digital, we are bringing in a complete mural. It's like taking from a small picture frame, going onto an entire wall. So that landscape is what is established. This is Payal Singhal collection. So we have designers who are on board, who are designing wall coverings for us. Some of the works of designers, less known designers, but beautiful work. So this on an entire wall, you know, completely changes the look and feel of a room and changes the decor. Various different options that are available today to suit every client's requirement and budget. In the pandemic, we've introduced wall art. So you have plain blank walls. We make a frame out of these canvases and we deliver to your home. So it's a contactless thing. The frame comes, you just hang it on your wall and you have a decorative wall. Digital wall coverings with backlit. So backlit options is what we have introduced. You know, it completely enhances the decor, adds light into the space. Website is a great tool. Online, we are selling wall coverings. So right from a 900 rupee roll to a 20,000 roll, there are different kind of options. Online and offline together is the way forward, which is what we at Marshalls already have. YouTube, Zoom, Instagram are pages you must see. You will get an idea of the designs and products that we are offering. So speed, convenience and safety are the new normals. Home improvement is becoming more and more important and maximum time is being spent at home. Marshalls, India's #1 wall covering brand, believes this is the best opportunity to join hands and grow together. We are looking for franchisees, associate designers and business associates. So franchise unit, there's a one-time fee of 2 lakh rupees. There's a security deposit for the credit that you may give to a client. Catalog supply for 3 years. So right from now up to 3 years, the catalogs that we'll be supplying, there's a 3 lakh fee for that. Showroom setup cost would be about 8 lakh rupees. So the total investment becomes about 15 lakhs to get started. Your monthly operational cost can be 60,000 max as your rental, a customer care executive at 18,000, a field person at about 25,000, karigar at 20,000, helper at 12,000, and office boy at 10,000. Now 8 lakhs business per month average in a year with a 30% margin. Your cost, your sales are about 1 crore with 30 lakhs as your margin. Expenses of about 18 lakhs, 10 lakh 80,000 becomes your net earning in that year. Year 2 business should go by 30%, because your contacts are established, your customer base is set. You're able to then, by word of mouth, increase and enhance the business. In the product mix, we are offering wall coverings, vinyl and wooden floorings, profiles and cornices, all instant products, all products that go hand in hand. We also can add furnishings, mattresses, blinds at an additional one-time investment of about 8 to 10 lakhs. So Kurlon is our on-board franchise partner. Furnishings we ourselves do in the name of Elite Living. So these we add on at a little nominal extra cost. Risk areas in business taken care by marshals. So advertising and lead generation we manage. Stocks we manage. Design selection and product mix we manage. IT infrastructure we manage. The franchisee has not to stock a single role. All selling happens through catalogs and through the digital platform. They are supposed to visit the site, execute the job and ensure that the customer is satisfied. So stocks are all kept in Mumbai in our central warehouse where we have over 1 lakh of rolls ready stock. And these are sent by road transport, by courier, by air, depending on what is the urgency of site execution. So at any given point of time, 5,000 designs is what we stock. A customer has that much to choose from and it reaches him within 3 hours to 3 days depending upon the timeline that is available. So franchisee's main role is customer service and customer delight. The last mile, the customer connect. Associate designers. Now this is an opportunity for interior designers, architects and interior designers to associate with us. A small one-time enrollment fee of 25,000 and a 5-hour training on product, process and promotion. We always believe that it is easier to sell a product than to sell a service. So with architects coming on board, it becomes a product that they can showcase to a client. If it's not an interior designer or an architect, but a good salesperson who wants to join hands with us, then for them the one-time enrollment fee is 50,000. They would need additional 5 hours of training with us in terms of site measurements, communication, understanding the interior design language to be able to communicate with the customer like a PRO. A test is what we do after the training is over, and once the person passes with 70% plus marks, there are 5 catalog set kit that we give complimentary, which becomes the sales tool to begin with. Selling a product, we believe, is always easier than selling a service. So for architects and interior designers, this becomes an entry point. This becomes a reconnect point with their existing customer base. So interior designers, architects can bring their customers, convince on Marshall products and ensure timely payments to Marshall. They can earn up to a 20% incentive. So no great investment required, but 20% is what they can easily earn with us. Business associates, well, people who don't want to do the last mile work, but want to be referral providers. Someone who can recommend us to customers. See, today when you want to do something to your walls, kya karna hai ji? Paint karna hai. So wall covering does not come as a first thought. But if someone tells you, why don't you try wall coverings? You are open to the idea. You say, yeah, why not? Achha ye hoga to kya, wo hoga to kya. So if someone, recommends a product, there is that much more credibility that it adds, and that brings a customer in much, much more easily. So we are looking at business associate, someone who is well networked individual who can generate leads and hand them over to marshals to take it forward. So someone like a real estate agent, who's built that rapport with the customer. And then the next step is, अच्छा अभी आपको home furnishing करना है, come to Marshalls. Insurance agents, they are well connected with individuals, they meet people. So when they go to an office or a home and they see the walls are not so nice, and they say, sir, why don't you marshal your walls and give us that lead? That lead, we will take it forward in conversion and so on, but they are able to earn an incentive for referring. That incentive can be 10%. Now for them also, there's a small enrollment fee of 25,000, wherein we explain to them the wall covering advantages, how they can promote and how they can associate with us. So we believe that whatever is free has no value. So the moment you commit, the moment you enroll, there's a commitment on both ways and things work much more smoothly. So in terms of franchisees, for every 10 lakh population in India, we are looking at 1 unit franchisee, 5 associate designers and 5 business associates. So there's a huge opportunity. There's a huge, if we look at 10 lakh population, and we are talking about, say, 1,000 plus franchisees that Marshalls can have across India. So from 25,000 to 50,000 to 18 lakhs to 30 lakhs, the investment model is available depending upon what a person is looking at associating with us. That's all from my end.
Thank you, Monaji. I think it's a fabulous concept, and specialty retail I've always maintained has been a very, very profitable business model. इसके पीछे कई कारण हैं. एक तो ये जो है, this is a small format. So it's a very small format. You don't need a big place. That's one. Second, you don't need to be in prime location. You can be in a non-prime location also, because बहुत सारा जो business होता है वो direct sales से भी होता है. You go and visit architects, you go and visit a lot of contractors, a lot of home interior people जो interior grow करते हैं, उनसे आपको रेफर मिलता है. तीसरा जो सबसे अच्छा लगता है मुझे इनके मॉडल में, वो ये है कि आपको कोई स्टॉक नहीं लेना. नहीं तो कोई भी आप रिटेल बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं तो सबसे पहले ये आपकी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि आपको स्टॉक रखना पड़ता है, और उस स्टॉक की इन्वेंट्री मूव करेगी नहीं मूव करेगी, डेड स्टॉक हो जाता है. क्योंकि ये 5,000 डिजाइन्स मेंटेन करते हैं अपने पास, तो बहुत बड़ी इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्ट करते हैं आपके लिए, क्योंकि आप अपना अगर स्टोर चलाते हैं तो आपको इन्वेंट्री मेंटेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज एक्सेप्शनल थिंग. नहीं तो अगर आप कन्वेंशनल फर्निशिंग स्टोर में जाते हैं, जो लोग वॉल क्यूबिंग करते हैं, उनको सबको ट्रेड में माल खरीदना पड़ता है और रखना पड़ता है, और कभी भी आप पूरी चॉइस दे नहीं पाएंगे, क्योंकि 5,000 तो कोई भी नहीं रख पाएगा. You can keep 100 designs, 200 designs, 300 designs, and which means that you will have a lot of stock. So you don't have to worry on the stock. They charge you 3 lakh rupees for giving all the files. Files are very important. These files are very, and they have to also pay that cost for files. It's not that they are charging. This is actually the business now runs like that. So आपको booklets मिलती हैं अलग-अलग designs की, और उसके अंदर कर सकते हैं. They have designs from conventional designs, customized and personalized designs, and licensed designs. ये तीनों इनके पास हैं. रेगुलर डिजाइन्स हैं जिनमें आप अपने ऑफिस, होम या जिस भी डेकोर कर रहे हैं उसको आप देख सकते हैं. सेकंड, पर्सनलाइजेशन बहुत है. अब पर्सनलाइजेशन वॉल कवरिंग में बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है. लोग जैसे स्कूल दिखाया तो स्कूल का अपना पैटर्न होगा. ये कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेज होते हैं तो कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेज अपनी आइडेंटिटी और अपनी ब्रांडिंग डालना चाहते हैं. और तीसरा, लाइसेंस ब्रांड्स. लाइसेंस ब्रांड जैसे अगर आज बच्चों में अब डिज्नी है, या जो इन्होंने बताया कि मिस्टर मेहता है, ही इज वन ऑफ द टॉप डिजाइनर्स इन बॉम्बे, Krishna Mehta. So he has his particular way of design. He does a lot of Krishna paintings, a lot of other ethnic styles. So there is a lot of good designer work also, which is proprietary. क्योंकि आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा, वो exceptional हो जाता है, क्योंकि that's a very high value. So because of the versatility of this whole structure, you can have a lot of value creation. हर 10 लाख पॉपुलेशन के ऊपर, 10 लाख की पॉपुलेशन का सिटी कोई भी हो, उसके अंदर एक फ्रेंचाइजी मिलता है. आपको एक्सक्लूसिविटी मिलती है उस रीजन की, और उसके नीचे 2 लेवल के हैं. ये मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मोना जी, ये जो आपने डिजाइनर बोले, एसोसिएट्स और एसोसिएट डिजाइनर्स एंड योर बिजनेस एसोसिएट्स, ये क्या फ्रेंचाइजी के नीचे भी आ सकते हैं? फ्रेंचाइजी भी अपॉइंट कर सकता है?
बिल्कुल. So they become the ecosystem of lead generation and business value addition for a franchisee.
Correct. So if you say open up in Ranchi, तो आप अपने नीचे 5 डिजाइनर्स को डाल सकते हैं और 5 बिजनेस एसोसिएट बना सकते हैं जो आपके लिए बिजनेस लाएंगे, और वो आपका रिटेल बिजनेस होगा. वहां पर आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस, स्ट्रक्चर सब दिखा सकते हैं. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द बिजनेस मॉडल. हमने 8 लाख की सेल्स ली, 8 लाख रुपीस. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स, अगर हमें मतलब कितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ वर्क चाहिए होगा 8 लाख रुपए को अचीव करने के लिए? और मतलब टिपिकली अगर हम देखें कि एक आपको एक सर्टन ऑफिस मिलता है 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का, तो 2000 स्क्वायर फीट में क्या बिलिंग हो जाती है हमारी, और ऐसी एक रेजिडेंशियल का भी एग्जांपल दे दीजिए कि भाई क्या आपकी बिलिंग हो जाती है.
So when we do a complete home, करीब 1.5 से 2 लाख का बिलिंग होता है in a small in a 3 BHK in Mumbai, which is a very restricted space. लोग ट्रायल के लिए एक दीवार से शुरू करते हैं. So I would say order values range from 10,000 rupees going up to 5 lakh as an so average हम पकड़ सकते हैं 30 से 40 हजार के बीच में. An average order value from one single customer is achievable. So about 20 customers at to achieve an 8 lakh sale per month.
Also, it's not big. You don't have to do a big accounts. Even if you do
Yes.
a big billing, 30 to 40,000 rupees billing also, then also but 20 odd customers would give you that. And because this is a high ticket product, I mean, कभी-कभी आपको बड़ा order मिल जाए, वो बड़ा समझो आप you are doing a Google Office and they give you an order, want to do that entire thing. There, the project billing can go very, very high. I mean, I'm talking about a number can be say 30 lakh rupees order, 50 lakh rupees order. That also orders come. बट दे हैव मेड अ रिटेल मॉडल वेयर आपको इतने बड़े ऑर्डर्स नहीं मिलते, ये साल में क्वार्टर में एक मिलता है, लेकिन आपको जो रेगुलर रिटेल ऑर्डर्स हैं जो ऑफिसेज में हैं, स्पेशली ऑफिसेज के अंदर तो अब नॉर्म हो गया है क्योंकि लोगों को फर्निशिंग जल्दी करनी होती है. पेंट का साइकिल जो है वो बहुत लॉन्ग साइकिल होता है और लोगों के रेंट चल रहे होते हैं, सो दे डोंट वांट टू रियली डू दैट. सो तो आर्किटेक्ट्स भी अब आजकल सजेस्ट करते हैं स्पेशली इन रिटेल एनवायरमेंट्स कि आप वॉलपेपर यूज करिए क्योंकि उसका टर्न अराउंड टाइम फास्टर है. नहीं तो अदरवाइज तो फिनिश करना वॉल को, फिर उसका पेंट करना, फिर ड्राई होना, आप अपनी फिटिंग्स नहीं कर पाते. तो आजकल बहुत जल्दी वॉलपेपर के साथ आप कर सकते हो. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफिसेज आर नाउ यूजिंग, all the retail environments are using. A lot of customization can happen which cannot be done. Precision of the design also comes, which never comes in paint. Paint is a very lengthy process and it can never give you the finer finishing, which I think, and duration of the wallpaper application also is 10 years. But this is not alone. They're also not doing wallpaper alone, but they're doing floorings also and other things also, because the same customer, you can do the wooden flooring or whatever that flooring is.
Yeah, because once that customer connect happens, then adding products to the entire gamut of service that you want to provide becomes that much easier.
Absolutely, absolutely. It is in that. Another thing which I think she touched upon, I should really mention, that they are also helping you in the lead generation and real-time inventory. So कहते हैं just-in-time inventory. वो आपको दोनों चीजें मिलती हैं. तो जैसे आप लीड मिलती है आपको, आप विजिट करते हैं, कस्टमर को कैटलॉग्स दिखाते हैं, कस्टमर कैटलॉग को पसंद करता है, तो आप रियल टाइम इन्वेंटरी जान सकते हैं कि इसका स्टॉक कितना रियल टाइम पड़ा है. तो जैसे ही आप अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं, वो स्टॉक आपके लिए ब्लॉक कर देते हैं, उसी के लिए आप डिपॉजिट दे रहे हैं. जो डिपॉजिट पड़ा है आपका केपेक्स बहुत कम है, आपका जो डिपॉजिट है वो 2 लाख रुपया जो डिपॉजिट है वो इसीलिए है कि आपको ऑर्डर प्लेस किए बिना कंपनी आपके लिए वो स्टॉक को ब्लॉक कर देती है. तो आप जैसे ही अपना साइकिल पूरा कंप्लीट करते हैं, देन दिस कैन बी शिफ्ट टू यू. सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग business model from that perspective, and very, very strong, and they're not new to the company. They have been very old company, 1975 say they existed. So it's a very big legacy of 45 years of journey which they have done. Now coming to the capex, जो store बनाना है interiors के लिए, वो 8 लाख रुपए हमने provision रखा है. That is done by the franchisee himself, और franchisee को हम guidelines देते हैं, they make themselves, or we give them, it is done by us.
So the furniture is modular, which is already defined, but layout changes. So जो local काम है, fall ceiling, electrical, and the main door, उतना काम उन्होंने करना है. Rest everything comes as a fit out from the brand.
Okay, so everything comes as a fit out. The modular furniture का इनका tie up है, तो they already able to do that. Any particular markets where because you have done so much of business and you have distribution, also audience should know that they have a very strong distribution already available. कि उन सब खरीद रहे हैं. तो आपकी डिमांड मैपिंग तो हुई रखी होगी कि आपको पता होगा कहाँ पर आपको कौन से ऐसे कुछ सिटीज हैं जहाँ पर अगर कल खोला जाए तो बहुत बड़ी डिमांड है, क्योंकि वहाँ आपका ऑडियंस अभी बना हुआ है लेकिन वो जनरल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से है, एंड देयर इज अ possibility to do that. So if you want to give 4, 5, 6 locations which come to your mind,
I would say places like Nagpur, Aurangabad, Raipur, amazing. I mean the kind of work जो हम बॉम्बे से वहाँ करते हैं, even Jaipur, Indore, अमेजिंग. मतलब यहाँ कहीं बजट में कंस्ट्रेंट हो जाता है इन मेट्रोज एंड so on, but in smaller cities the kind of bungalows people are making and the kind of money they are ready to spend is absolutely unbelievable.
Absolutely, we are right. The biggest indulgence in these cities is making your own home, and they go and bring experiments. So आपने बिल्कुल right cities बोले. Raipur is a classic example. Big houses, big bungalows, people make. Jaipur is a very, very high, most indulging houses in India. If you see, would you see in Jaipur? There is also another city which is Surat, which has a very big indulgence of houses. People have some out of the, you see the houses, you look the palatial houses there people have made. Similarly, Bhubaneswar, now even places like even Ranchi, since Mahendra Singh Dhoni has made his palatial house, then everybody is moving that way. And so almost all these cities, you're right, because it is all about square footage. Bombay has the lowest square foot. People are living in 600, 700, 800, 1000, 1500 kind of a square feet. So your application also is low. But when you are told to 25,000 square feet of home, your application is very high. So it's all about square feet. And these cities also have leadership, because there is nobody else. And there is also a little bit of a, brand plays a big role. So people trust the brand rather than just entire thing. And they can also easily come and do this piece. So it's a good, very good opportunity. And we are seeing a lot of questions. So I would like to invite Sonia to take up her viewpoint, and also a lot of questions with Sonia you want to take.
Thank you so much, Mona ji. I think your presentation was very detailed, and overall the business model is also very, very inclusive.
In the paint, I like that point. I'll probably, next time we have a paint company, I'll ask that to them. How do you remove the pain in the paint?
Absolutely.
And I feel, you made it very inclusive, from architects to salespeople to business associates, and also the offering is extended beyond wall coverings, based on the flexibility or the opportunity or the capacity, so to say, of the partner. So very interesting. Mona ji, so I'll take up some questions which perhaps I was also answering, but maybe coming from you, it will make more sense. So first, we talked about lead generation, because you're taking care of lead generation also. What would be the responsibility of the franchisee? Would that lead generation be an added lead which will come to him, or the entire responsibility of lead generation would lie on the owners of lead generation lies on you?
See, today, our audience is very young. So people who are ready to try new things are the ones we are looking at. Now, this complete audience is on digital media. So they are ready to experiment. They are looking at decoration and design and in a big way. So digitally we work on the leads. When we open a showroom, we invest about 1 lakh rupees directly on those 1 week of lead generation just for that city. So right from Google mapping, the showroom location to communication in the entire media about a showroom opening in that space, to lead generation activities that we do, so that there is enough in the basket for a person to get started and get working on. So lead generation on a regular basis is what we provide. I would say 50% of business, easily 25 to 30 leads a month is what we are generating, quality leads. So it's not that humne phone nahi kiya wala lead, leads that are entered into the system as an inquiry. कि आप इनके घर में जाइए, इनकी requirement है. So to that level, 25 to 30 leads a month is what we generate at our end. Plus architects, interior designers whom the franchisee connects with starts giving him business and coming to the showroom. So it's a mix. Initially, they may more depend on leads coming from us, but eventually there will be a good mix of both of them together.
Okay, so which means initially at the launch time you will create leads and which will be passed on to the franchisee. And simultaneously, he will also be expected to engage and generate leads in his neighborhood or the city. Mona ji, ek aur question hai, because we're talking about different partners in one city. What kind of, because if for example, I'm taking this question because I have one coming from Chandigarh. So for example, if we have say 2 or 3 partners in the same city, and Chandigarh also has, adjoining Panchkula, Mohali, Zirakpur. So how is that segregation done, one, and how is the lead distribution done? Is there a mechanism through which the lead segregation?
Minimum 3 kilometers, we don't appoint another franchisee. So depending on the city and the population, 3 to 6 kilometers, we do not appoint another franchisee. In a city like Bombay, the density is more. Maybe in Chandigarh, the density is less. Right. So 3 to 6 kilometers, keeping that 10 lakh population kind of a funda in mind. So we appoint, and then based on the location of the customer, we have a centralized call center where all the leads get generated. And then based on the customer location is where we give the franchisee the lead. So that gets distributed based on a customer's location. though we don't give any franchisee exclusivity in terms of area of doing business.
Right.
So, if I'm sitting in Delhi and I have a relative in Chandigarh who wants to buy from me, it's not that he has to route it through a Chandigarh franchisee. He can buy from Delhi directly.
Correct.
So there is no customer exclusivity कि ये area से कोई भी customer आएगा तो वो इनका है. A person is free to do business across India, but between two showrooms there will be minimum 3 to 6 kilometers of distance.
Right, and that's very important point, you know. So as a company, while you will not appoint, but a franchisee has the right to procure business from anywhere. You know, that is something we can't stop. So another question, Mona ji, जो मैं लेना चाहूँगी, because you know we have applications, residential भी application है, commercial भी application है इसकी. What kind of break even, you know, what between these two, what ideally should form a bigger chunk of revenue between these two segments, or do you think it is based on the location where he is? या आपने अपने you know current business में क्या trends देखे between the two? While commercial might have maybe a bigger volume or you know business, but some understanding if you can give between residential and commercial, और दोनों में से क्या typical percentage या volumes एक franchisee cater कर सकता है?
Okay, see initially तो personal references and retail business से ही शुरुआत होती है. But eventually the volume that a hospitality segment or a corporate segment gives you far overtakes a residential.
Right.
You know, so in Delhi, you know, पूरा साल हम काम करते रहते हैं and so on. एक होटल हम ITC का कर लें versus entire year's residential business that we do, both in terms of value become the same. So while that retail is more like bread and butter और काम चल रहा है, I think a franchisee should look at, you know, developing customer base, relationship with architects and interior designers, and getting the product specified from hotels to hospitals to corporates to retail. It works everywhere. You know, partners like LiveSpace, like HomeLane, like Arive, whom we have on board, the kind of volumes in terms of customer purchase that they do from us also is phenomenal.
Correct.
So that becomes another B2B sale angle, which is handled by the franchisee at the local level.
Okay. And how big is the lead time? Because the inventory that we're talking is a virtual inventory where the franchisee need not stock the inventory. So एक virtual inventory है जो 5,000 और designs की आप रखेंगे. So इसमें typical gestation या lead time क्या होता है? You know, from the order received to delivery of the order.
So like I said, you know, if urgency है, जी कल opening है, so we can even send it by air courier, which in 3 hours the material reaches anywhere in the country, to a normal process which is about 2 to 3 days. So something as far as Bhubaneswar or Calcutta takes about 3 days to reach. Rest everywhere it is overnight.
Okay.
So हम बस से भेजें, train से भेजें, either ways. Now wall covering is not a very heavy product. So the transportation cost is very nominal and you don't need to maintain inventory. So that is why we centrally stock. Now there may be situations, though, you know, we try to maintain at least 2 months inventory in hand at any given point of time. But there are situations when a particular design is out of stock and so on. So we do replenish the stock within 2 weeks time. So it's not that customer has put all the effort in selection, matched the curtain, matched the floor, matched the laminate, and later on we say, oh, ये तो design नहीं मिलेगा. You know, we will ensure that the design comes and 2 weeks is the delivery time.
Okay. And Mona ji, because you already have a huge network all across, और कोई भी अगर आपका एक location में franchisee आता है, and you have an online lead generated for that location, will that be routed through the franchisee or that's fulfilled by the company?
So our distribution model is where the distributor develops his own leads. We don't support him on lead. Lead generation is exclusively done for the franchisee.
Franchisee. Okay. And if you have a franchisee in a location, you also have an online lead for that location, that lead is passed on.
Automatically goes to the franchisee.
Okay. I also see some questions, you know, which are kind of directed towards, you know, durability, life of the wallpapers. Are they fire resistant? And some of these things which I also found on your website, you know, energy saving. So would you want to maybe comment a little bit on the qualities or the characteristics of the wall coverings that you have?
So wall coverings have a huge advantage over paint. You know, ये सब doubts भी होते हैं ना, अरे निकल जाएगा, फट जाएगा, all those things. The moment the customer walks into a showroom and he likes what he sees, you will see the questions disappear. You know, technically जो है energy saving and fire retardant and all these help in technically selling a product which is more to the commercial segment. To a residential clients, it's more about design. He likes the look and feel of the product, he's ready to buy it. You know, so something as simple as that. Technically, we are able to sell large volumes. I'll give you an example. ONGC, we've been working for the last 30 years, and उनकी एक conference room की दीवार हम हमेशा करते हैं. When they were making their corporate office of 35,000 square feet wall area, paint was specified and wall covering was for 200 square feet. Now we approached the architect. We said, "Sir, wall coverings." उन्होंने कहा जी आप brand से आप ONGC से approve करवा के आओ. I'll select the design. To ONGC we went. We said, "Sir, wall coverings." उन्होंने कहा, "What is the USP? Why should I use? Paint is okay. We've specified it." Said, "Sir, it is fire retardant." And fire के नाम से ONGC वाले बहुत डरते हैं. So the moment we said wall coverings are fire retardant, they asked us to show set test certificates, which when we showed, they said fume is the main problem. You know, it's not the fire, but the fume that becomes a difficult thing for people to breathe through. So they asked us to get testing done in Pune in a particular laboratory. Once that certification worked, entire ONGC office, 35,000 square foot, was wall covered instead of paint. So that 200 decorative, market converts to 30,000 square foot of wall covering just because on technical grounds. So there are huge certifications and merits that the wall covering carries. Fire retardancy, eco-friendly and green being two of the major ones. Energy conservation, is another big advantage, that, and thermal and heat insulation in a infrastructure lacking country like ours. So
Right.
just by putting wall coverings, your interiors are about 4 or 5 degrees more comfortable than your exteriors. So 4-5 डिग्री, दिल्ली जैसे शहर में अगर बाहर 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर है और आप ऑफिस में वॉल कवरिंग लगा के 5 डिग्री अचीव कर रहे हो, इट्स अ ह्यूज insulation and saving. So lot of merits that wall coverings carry.
Correct. जी, इसमें because it'll take time for people who don't come from the same background. Typical what time frame do you think will it take for a person after he starts exclusive outlet? कितना time, 1 महीना 2 महीना, क्या time frame उसको लग जाता है operationally break even करने में?
See, it's not a very high ticket value. So अगर बंदा एक city का है, he would at least know 50 odd families in the city. And वो रेफरेंस से ही उसके पहले 2-3 महीने में बिजनेसेस अच्छे खासे होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. एक वॉल करवा लो जी, हमारे बच्चे ने नया बिजनेस शुरू किया है, गिव हिम अ चांस, गिव हिम एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो वो एंट्री हमने देखी है कि बहुत इजीली स्टार्ट हो जाती है. And in the meantime, the person gets enough time to build relations, to build connects with architects and interior designers. So there is not really a very long time in terms of waiting time kind of a scene. Yeah, there's a little dip in business in the month of July, August because of monsoons. But other than that, it's a business that happens much more easily. मतलब 10,000 रुपए में आप सोच सकते हो एक दीवार चेंज करनी है. So you don't have to plan high budgets or renovations or there's a leakage problem. We have a solution for that. There is a wall that looks bad. There's a solution for that. So
now, particularly now these days, a lot of demand is coming because people are working from home. They normally have to do these calls and their backgrounds are coming in, and so that's very important. So people are shifting and putting up some kind of a background which look like they're working out of office rather than working from home. So a lot of that is going on, and you have a privilege, Monaji. You can change every day a new look because you're sitting on a 5,000 different designs.
Absolutely.
जी, एक क्वेश्चन मैं लूंगी ना, ऐसी while people are asking many questions, और एक हम टाइम भी आपसे लेंगे any time in this week where you can maybe answer these questions one-on-one with right profile and locations where you want to enter. But before that, एक चीज which I think I'll take up from Vikash, who's asking durability of any kind of guarantees or warranties which we are giving to the consumer on the wall covering.
So 1 year is the warranty which is installed condition. Typically wall covering lasts for about 12 to 15 years. Okay, warranty we give 1 year because it is including the service. कि कहीं अगर खुल गया, कहीं अगर anything, that service is provided free of cost. So it just becomes a little, you know, we were giving 4 years warranty and people used to say, "Acha, itna lamba warranty." So then we reduced to 3, 2 and then 1, because every product, be it electronics or whatever, you're used to a 1-year warranty period. But durability of the product is much larger, much longer.
See, a question or maybe this last I'll pick up. He's Atul ji, Mr. Atul Jindal, because it does not require maybe in case of franchisees, obviously you need exclusive outlet. But जैसे आपने बोला, somebody comes as a sales or as a business associate, can it be done from their own homes? They need not set up a office. So can it be run from the homes in these cases?
Yeah. So absolutely, they can start from home. But as I said, they will maximum have a 5 catalog kitty. You know, their sales kit will only have 5 catalogs. So the moment we have a unit franchisee in the space, we connect him to the unit franchisee, because then he has more access to catalogs. Unit franchisee has a ready associate designer with him to assist him on converting more leads. So
Okay.
it's a win-win that gets established.
All right. I think that's very helpful, Monaji. So we'll like and take these questions maybe one-on-one with you. We have many of them which I have tried to answer, and most of these have been answered in your presentation. But still, some relevant profiles I feel would require both sides more discussion to happen. And I'm seeing some profiles coming in, locations coming in. I'm reading as much as I can. But in this week, agar aapko lagta hai, maybe 3 days from now, any day that you want to give, and we'll try and bring profiles filtered to you. And this is for all of you friends. I think we've written to each one of you. If you want to speak to Mona ji, आपके बहुत सारे questions हैं, locations आपने दी हैं, and छोटे-छोटे और questions हैं जो हम maybe we're not able to pick up. So we can fix up a time, maybe 3 days from now. Today is Tuesday, maybe Friday, if that's convenient with you, Mona ji. We can speak to all of our interested viewers, and we can maybe fix half an hour slot with you on that day of Friday.
Friday works absolutely fine.
Also, my request to everybody is that we already started getting inquiries on our business hotline number. आप अपनी थोड़ी बैकग्राउंड जरूर लिखिए, सिटी बताइए कौन सा सिटी है और क्या बैकग्राउंड है आपकी, क्योंकि हम बहुत चूजी हैं एट फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया. हम तभी प्रोफाइल को फॉरवर्ड करते हैं जब हमें उसके प्रोफाइल के बारे में पूरा पता हो. तो मोना जी, हम इनमें हमारे इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रेंचाइज कंसल्टेंट्स हैं. We will put them on I think they already have started working on this. Very good inquiries are coming in, so we will reach out to you both on our through our Facebook and also from our number. So please अपना जो प्रोफाइल है आप शेयर करें हमारे हॉटलाइन पे, which is 9717683838. फ्राइडे को हम रख रहे हैं डिस्कवरी डे with a very special brand with Marshalls, and if you want to attend that one-on-one discussions, आपकी कोई क्वेरीज हैं, आपका कोई स्ट्रक्चर है, कैसे वर्क करता है, तो आप अपना अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स कर सकते हैं.
So Mona ji, before we close, any message that you want to give to all the viewers who are listening live to you and also on this webinar today?
So, you know, हमारा तो passion एक ही है, Marshall every wall. And that's the vision and mission that we work towards.
Great.
I thank Franchise India, I thank Gaurav ji personally and Sonia for this opportunity, and look forward to a good innings with you as well.
Thank you so much, Mona ji. And you have a wonderful website. You know, while I was going through the presentation, I was also going through the website. I think a lot of new additions you have done. Many designers I see on your landing page. I think Payal is one of the designers. Krishna Mehta is another one. And a great opportunity, friends, for all of you. Very inclusive, again, I would say, which starts as low as 25,000 and goes up to 8 odd lakhs. And the entire investment is de-risked, where no stock. The biggest risk for any investor is the stock which he carries, which becomes dead. And here every investor is de-risked, and that's something which is very important in times like these. So anyone who comes with relevant profiles can share their profiles. If you have a property or location that you want to start with, it will be helpful for us to maybe even see the property and the pictures and details of those property to help and evaluate the option for Mona ji and for all of you. Thank you so much, Mona ji, and I request Archana to kindly please take it over.
So thank you all the friends and attendees who have attended today's webinar about Marshall. Thank you so much, Mona ma'am, for sparing time and preparing that PPT. You really worked hard with us for this webinar. Thank you so much, our panel member Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am, for your insights. The recorded version of this particular webinar and all the previously done webinar is available at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. That's the site where you can go and you can watch all those details. Thank you so much for our polls. We got response from your side. This is a recently launched poll. And you can also share your suggestions, inquiry, request at our business hotline number, which is 97176 83838. That's the number where you can register yourself with any kind of the query. You can also connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. That's the information on your screen. We at Franchise India would love to give you all the solutions and happy to help you. And tomorrow we are inviting you for yet another exciting episode where we are presenting you SRMB. This is multi-product with multi-brand retail Shopee opportunity for you. So tomorrow, 12 o'clock, please join us. Do registration today so that you get a confirmation mail from our side. This is a business opportunity which operates in franchisee owned company operated model. Please join us for this particular webinar tomorrow. Do registration today so that you get a confirmation mail from our site and you can enjoy this particular webinar. Thank you so much for joining us today. Have a great day.
Particularly for Bengal, while the brand is open going everywhere, but they would like to begin with Bengal with the company owned, franchisee owned, company operated. कंपनी खुद ऑपरेट करेगी स्टोर्स को, सिर्फ आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है. बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है, इनके ब्रांड में धोनी और कपिल देव हैं, बहुत रिकॉग्नाइज्ड नेम है. अगर आप बंगाल में कैलकाटा में हैं तो आप हर जगह इनके होर्डिंग देखेंगे. वेरी वेरी एस्टैब्लिश्ड कंपनी. And tomorrow is a special chance. If you are part of Bengal, then please join us tomorrow.
Thank you so much once again, everyone, for joining us.
Thank you, friends. Have a great day.